Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn 50 plus prepositional verbs for daily use. Thank for. To express gratitude towards someone. I thanked her for helping me with my project. Apologize for. To express regret or remorse for something. He apologized for being late to the meeting. Excuse for. To forgive or pardon for a fault or offense. He excused her for forgetting her anniversary. Blame for. To hold responsible for something negative. Don't blame him for the mistake. It was an honest error. Account for. To explain or justify something. Can you account for the missing money from the budget? Hope for. To desire or wish for something to happen. We're hoping for good weather for the picnic. Wish for. To desire or long for something to happen. He wished for a peaceful resolution to the conflict. Ask for. To request or seek something. She asked for advice on how to improve her resume. Head for. To move or proceed toward a destination. We're heading for the beach this weekend. Vote for. To elect someone by voting. I'll vote for a candidate known for their honesty. Scold for. To reprimand or criticize someone for their actions. She scolded her son for not doing his homework. Wait for. To stay in the same place in anticipation of something. We'll have to wait for the bus to arrive. Apply for. To request something, especially in writing or by sending a form. My friend applied for a job at the new company. care for. To look after or have an interest in someone or something. She cares for her elderly neighbor every day. Admire for. To regard with respect or approval. I admire her for her determination and perseverance. Pay for. To give money in exchange for something. You need to pay only $10 for this bag. Pray for. To ask for divine help or guidance. They prayed for the safe return of their lost dog. Substitute for. To use in place of something else. Can I substitute oil for butter in this recipe? Suffer from. To experience pain, illness, or hardship. She has been suffering from fever for 2 days. Recover from. To regain health or strength after an illness or injury. It took him a month to recover from the flu. Resign from. To voluntarily leave a job or position. He decided to resign from his position as CEO. Vary from. To be different or diverse from something else. The prices can vary from store to store. Benefit from. To receive advantages or gains from something. Benefit from others' experiences. Differ from. To be unlike or distinct from something else. His opinion differs from mine on that matter. Abstain from. To refrain or avoid from doing something. I decided to abstain from eating sweets for a month to improve my health. Stem from. To originate or arise from a particular source or cause. His fear of water stems from a childhood incident at the beach. Hide from. To conceal oneself or something from others. The child hid from his parents during the game of hide and seek. Separate from. To become disconnected or distinct from something else. The cream should be separate from the coffee until served. Believe in. To have faith or confidence in something. I believe in the power of positive thinking. Engage in. To participate or be involved in something. He engages in regular exercise to stay healthy. Result in. To cause a particular outcome or consequence. Careless driving can result in accidents. Specialize in. To focus on or have expertise in a particular area. She specializes in corporate law. Confide in. To trust and share personal feelings or secrets with someone. She confided in her best friend about her relationship troubles. Indulge in. To allow oneself to enjoy or partake in something pleasurable, often in excess. Sometimes, it's nice to indulge in a little chocolate cake. Engrossed in. To be completely absorbed or immersed in something. I was engrossed in my book and didn't notice the time passing. Participate in. To take part in an activity or event. You should participate in class discussion. Argue about. To have a disagreement or debate over something. They often argue about politics. Complain about. To express dissatisfaction or annoyance about something. She complained about the noise from the construction site. Forget about. To fail to remember or consider something. Don't forget about our meeting tomorrow. Talk about. To discuss or converse on a topic. They were talking about their upcoming vacation plans. Think about. To consider or reflect on something. I need some time to think about your offer. Worry about. To feel anxious or concerned about something. Don't worry about the test. You've studied hard. Write about. To compose or create content on a particular subject. She wrote about her travels in her latest blog post. Care about. To have concern or regard for someone or something. Parents often care about their children's safety above all else. Inquire about. To ask for information about something. She sent an email to inquire about the status of her job application. Laugh about. To chuckle or giggle loudly about someone or something. Don't laugh about someone else's misfortune. Joke about. Joke about. Joke about. It's important to know when it's appropriate to joke about sensitive topics. Think twice about. To reconsider or think carefully before doing something. Think twice before quitting your job without a backup plan. Boast about. To brag or proudly talk about one's achievements or possessions. He always boasts about his high score in the game. Dream about. To have thoughts or visions while asleep. I dreamt about flying last night. Learn about. To acquire knowledge or information about something. We learned about the history of ancient civilizations in class.